Pharmacies don't want you to know this secret. Stop buying cough syrup and make this instead. Take an orange, cut off the top, and use a spoon to remove the pulp from the center. Now finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Put everything inside the orange, add a tablespoon of honey, and stir well. Use the top of the orange as a lid and let it sit overnight. The next day, squeeze it firmly to extract all the juice and strain it through a sieve. You'll have a powerful natural syrup that will eliminate coughs and flu symptoms in record time. If you want the real hidden truth, comment yes and follow for more tips.